Hey, Chance McQueen here. So, everyone is talking about inflation. Here's the latest news we know that shelter data has been in focus because it is the single biggest component of the inflationary report that we receive. And for a long time, CPI data is finally coming in, and we appear to be catching up overall. If this continues, surely it will help core inflation come down because this is the single biggest component. So, based on the Cleveland Fed, which has their own rental index, their recent numbers show that in a year-over-year basis, versus Q1, it fell pretty sharply from 5.6% to 4%. Now, that 4% number is about 1% higher than the core logic blended rent numbers. But when you compare it to the shelter reading within the PCE report, it's 1.2% lower, and that's because it makes up over 21% of the core PCE. That means that because there is a high correlation between these numbers over the time, in the next 3 to 6 months, you could see this catch up, which could lead to a 0.25% drop year over year in core PCE. So if shelter goes down, so will inflation. See you on the next one.